the outstanding winner for 2022 with a tribute in poem.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, correction hasn't been announced yet, whether or not I had won anything of such distinction. Nonetheless, hope springs eternal. This poem that I wrote in 2015 is actually a rallying cry to the St. Thomas populace and also a salute to the Right Excellent Bogle. And I do hope that this tribute will inspire in us all a renewed sense of purpose and unity, for us to work together as a community, as a parish, to make St. Thomas even more so the place to be, the place to talk about, and the place that, welcomes all who would have heard our fame noised throughout the world. So many great people have come from our parish. I am honored to stand here today to add my voice to the chorus of those who believe in St. Thomas. Stand up, St. Thomas. We tread the path of a great man called Bogle, who stood in a time when oppression was rife. Could one as brave and noble have so loved us as to have given his own life, the greater good esteeming a thing of more import than his comfort, his very own peace, that from this spot of ground, this great place nestled in the east, he would march with great people to make our cause known? Who would have thought how large that act of sacrifice would have grown to inspire fear in the heart of the sovereign, whose powers stand the world, that her consternation would have seen that damning edict hurled? And here we are today, still oppressed and laid in dust low, as if our rich legacy we do not seem to know. But what was sealed in blood back then by he and them must be borne out with ardor before each one's life ends, in toil and effort to see this great and sterling town's dividing walls and creeds finally come tumbling down. Every hand and heart joining in a vision for all time of prosperity, love, peace, oneness, so Jamaica knows we shine, for we are all heroes in our rights, if only we would see that greatness lies way down deep in you as well as me. Take a stand, my people, and work with all your might to make the skewed path straight and turn the wrong to right. Stand up, St. Thomas, shine forth, this day thy light has come, and build together this place we've all come to know as home. For Bogle was the man who lit the sacred flame, and our future is best charted when we learn from whence we came. Yeah.